If you stumbled upon this video, then that is not a coincidence. You are about to be discovered. I asked God to only send this video to people who are meant to hear it. What I'm seeing is this new shift where people are tired of celebrities. Do you remember back in the days when everybody was reading gossip magazines and like so invested into celebrities' lives? That is shifting. People don't want to hear from these millionaires on their high throne, buy all their products that they're creating. People want to hear from other real people. And as we're approaching the golden age, this shift is going to continue. And real people like you and me are going to be the new quote-unquote celebrities, or what I call the new earth celebrities. And since I have been doing this full time now, being a content creator for, like 5 or 6 years now, I haven't had a job in like over 8 years. I did freelancing first, and then eventually I was earning enough from YouTube and social media to just do this full time. So when it comes to being discovered, when it comes to being a public figure, I have learned some lessons. And today I wanted to share 3 key lessons that you need to know as a future New Earth celebrity. And the first thing that I need you to know, and this is so important because otherwise you'll get nowhere, and that is that you need to release your fear of being seen. In my program, Nomad Freedom Academy, we have so many people who are shit scared of being seen. So they're really excited in the mindset module, making their dream board, creating their affirmations. But when it comes time to start creating content, they freeze. They start to get worried. What will friends, family, strangers on the internet say? Will they get hate comments? You have to let that shit go. And this is coming from a person who's been a people pleaser my whole life. I used to live off external validation. I needed to be validated all the time. I was chasing the likes on Instagram. When I first started my YouTube channel, I uploaded a video and then immediately deleted it. I was terrified what people would think of my content. But now, I don't care. With time, as I just kept publishing and stopped worrying, I realized people don't care. Literally. Like, you think you see yourself as the main character of your life, but what you have to remember is that other people see themselves as the main character of their lives. So even if some hater or even an old friend or somebody is hating on you or judging you for a video you've made, it's probably just a fleeting thought in their head, and then they move on with their day. What's for lunch? And even if that happens, worst case scenario, do you even want to be friends with a person like that? Maybe you need to reconsider who your friends are, who you want in your friendship circle. Do you want people who uplift you and support you when it comes to your dreams, or people who are jealous, try to put you down? And one helpful exercise when it comes to this first point that I read in the Charisma Code, I think, is that, so imagine now you had a hate comment. Okay, and you feel, oh my gosh, my video was so cringe, I hate it, other people have commented on it, this is horrible. Okay, zoom out. Okay, so you see your town, your country, now you see your continent, and now you're like outside of Earth and just looking at the globe. And imagine these little, almost ant-looking things, and it's humans. These little ants going around on the globe, and they're all, imagine them all having like a little thought bubble. They're all are worried about something. You're just this little speck of dust, this little ant. What seems to you like this huge problem is nothing. Everybody's worried about something. So just keep posting, and eventually the fear goes away. I have in many videos like not to wash my hair for a really long time, like super greasy hair, or wearing no makeup, or really bad lighting, or like just recently there was this like big fluff on my forehead, and I had filmed like 3 videos, but I was like, just publish it, It's about what you're saying and not about what you're wearing or your makeup or your hair that day. And that brings us to point number 2 that you need to know as a new earth celebrity, and that is to take messy action. And I talk about this all the time on my channel. You're probably tired to hear it if you are a regular, but it's just so important in every part of your life. So I'm gonna keep talking about it. I have always been a perfectionist. But what's dangerous about perfectionism is that it can lead to procrastination. You can use it as a tool to procrastinate. Like when I started my first business, which was like drop shipping, and I kept just tweaking the fonts, tweaking the product descriptions in my online store, and I never ended up launching it. But what I should have done is, even where I wasn't 100% happy with the fonts or the descriptions, to just launch it, try it out, see does anybody buy. That is gonna get you further than keeping tweaking and never launching, never getting anywhere, never posting. So for example, if you want to become a YouTuber, like I am, then you want to have a schedule, a posting schedule. For example, I'm currently doing 3 videos a week. You don't need to do that many. Minimum 1 per week is good. And just stick to it and post, no matter if it didn't feel perfect. Because the truth is, your video will probably never feel perfect. Always be something you will improve. But you will always be your worst critic. And if you want to become a wealthy content creator, sharing your gifts online so you don't have to rely on a 9-to-5, then you need to make sure to have your niche, your purpose dialed in, that you know what that is so you can create with clarity. So that is what our free business discovery calls are for. You can book it in the description. We have a few more slots this week. And before we move on to the next point, affirm in the comments, I start before I'm ready. The third thing that I wanted to share with you is something that I think you're gonna ask next. And that is, okay, I am ready to share my gifts. I wanna do it. Let's do it. Where do I post? Where do I become visible? And I get you, because there are so many platforms out there. You got TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, the list goes on. And I have been on them all. What I've noticed is that if you want to monetize, if you actually want to earn money from this and not having to rely on a 9-to-5 job, then long form content is the best. So I'm talking longer than a short clip on, let's say, Instagram or Facebook Reels. So the video you're watching now, for example, is long form. So I have several minutes with you. So we're really getting to know each other. We're going deep. And how I like to see it, I heard this from Pat Flynn, and I love this. That is that shorts is like an appetizer, and a long form video is like a full-on, luxury course, like a 5-step course meal in some Michelin restaurant. What do you want to offer to your audience? And do you think they're more likely to buy after this 5-course meal or this appetizer? And obviously YouTube is my preference. That's where I mostly hang out. But I also put my YouTube video on Spotify for podcasters. And by doing that, you're getting double exposure. So your YouTube video also becomes your podcast. So that's a little tip for you, because it takes a lot of time, like putting on makeup if you want, setting up the camera, writing down the bullet points. So when you create content, you might as well make the most of it. You can also get an AI software. I recommend Vizard AI. And it can extract shorts from your long form video so that you don't have to film the short forms yourself. And that way you just get some more views out of your video as well. And if you feel, Julia, I have just no clue whatsoever what my YouTube niche would be, what my life purpose is, I just know I'm meant for something bigger, then don't worry. I have a free PDF link in the description on how to find your purpose in 5 simple steps. I'm so excited for you to step into the spotlight, Lightworker. It will be so beautiful to hear what you have to share with the world, because there is so much that you have to offer to the world. Let me know in the comments if you know what your niche or your life purpose is. I'd love to hear. And next up, you need to know, how will you actually monetize your YouTube videos? There are many ways you can do this. So I've made this entire video comparing the different business models that you can have, so you can see what works best for you. So you can find this in the pinned comment or somewhere around this video. Love you and see you in the next one.